In Affinity 2.2, they've now added a long press tool shortcut. So what does that mean? If you're applying a gradient, you can also just simply press the M and that will put it to selection. You can then release and you're straight away back to a gradient tool without needing to go over here. So anytime, press the M, you got selection, release and drag, and you're back using the gradient tool as normal. Press M again, and then you can add a selection and again drag. You need to hold it down. Just make certain you press the M, hold it down and drag and then release and then create your design. You can do it with a number of other tools as well. So maybe you're using this gradient, but you're saying, oh, I want to apply a brush stroke. So press the B, hold down very long, and then now you can see the brush tool and you can apply your brush. You can also do the same, say you're using, let's just get rid of this, select, maybe you're using the move tool. So you've got the move tool, doing all kinds of things, and you think, you know what, I want to use the brush tool. Just hold down the B and now apply the brush and release. You're back again to the move tool. And of course you can do it the other way around as well. So go to the brush tool. So there's the brush tool, apply that, and then hold down the V, long press, so just hold it down, and now you've got the move tool, and you can just move the design around, reposition it, rotate it, and then release, and now you're back to the brush. And you can do this obviously with all of the tools in Affinity Photo. It should be noted that not many of the tools in the tools panel have shortcuts. So if you want to add one, go to Affinity Photo and then down to Settings, then go to Shortcuts, then go over here, you've got Photo here, and then go down all the way down to Tools. In Tools, you'll notice you've got all these tools, and you can then set a shortcut for your favourite tool and close. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.